Today I am going to be showing graduates of CS50 from Harvard how to algorithmic trade using AI and all of the tools that I personally use in order to build out trading systems that trade these markets automatically without emotions, without you having to stare at the charts. Now, if you've ever traded before, you know that it is a very emotional game. You want to buy when the price is going up. You want to sell when the price is going down. We automate everything else in this world. We have cars driving us, but a lot of people still do not automate their trading. So if you are advanced enough to go through CS50 and you understand everything when it comes to, the introduction of coding, then you are going to be a perfect fit here, especially if
naturally. Skill is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
If you're one of those that will just continue to get better and better and keep working on your craft, like Will Smith just said, this is one of the most fascinating industries in the world. This is Jim Simons here. He used machine learning, which is AI, in order to run up a net worth of $31 billion, all with automated trading, the exact stuff I will be showing you here today. You can see I have an AI agent down here in the bottom next to the timer that is backtesting trading strategies for me. I will explain all of these systems and everything we're going to build here to you, but one of the most important things in the system that I follow to automate my trading, and the same thing that Jim Simons did, is called backtesting. Backtesting is the process of seeing if a strategy worked in the past. If it worked in the past, it's much more likely to work in the future, but it's not guaranteed. This is the system I will be showing here today, and I will be showing every single line of code. You can see I have every single liquidation coming in on the market. I have every single order. I can see when people are going to get liquidated. So as I said, this is going to be a little advanced, so make sure that you take CS50 first, but I can see everybody's positions in the market, when they get liquidated, when they entered, how far they are away from liquidation, and so on. These are things that most people will never ever show you. So I am holding it out for your class here today. Let's go ahead and build out this README here. All of this code will be on the GitHub right here. Just type in Harvard algorithmic trading with AI. I'm going to show you all of the AI that I use, how I use it. And sorry to burst your bubble, but you are not going to be predicting price with AI, not today. If everybody predicts the weather, it's going to be 75 degrees tomorrow. Well, it can be 75 degrees tomorrow. But if everybody predicts Bitcoin price is going to be $85,000 tomorrow, that price will be traded on. It will change. Again, you can predict some things with machine learning, of course. I'm going to show you how to actually use AI. We're going to use agents here in the bottom left. You can see it's backtesting. We're going to use Cursor. If you want to Google that, you can use Cursor or Windsurf. Cursor is where you write the code. It's called an IDE, and you know that already. You've been through CS50. Okay, so if you haven't, type in CS50 here into YouTube and go watch that prerequisite course, please. Cursor is where you code to help you code faster. Matter of fact, I'll show you right away. We'll create a README right now using Cursor. This is the first way we're using AI here. Okay, please go ahead and build me a README here, and that README will explain the following. This is an open source project teaching Harvard students how to become algorithmic traders. I will be explaining the step-by-step system I follow in order to automate my trading strategies. I believe that humans have too much emotion. They have too many things going on in the day, and they all got into trading to get their time back. The unfortunate truth is most traders are unprofitable, and they stare at the screen all day long, wasting all of their time and making no money. My hypothesis, along with Jim Simons, who ran up a $30 billion net worth, is the only way to trade is with robots. So I will be explaining my RBI system. I will be showing all of the code, all of the resources, all of the places I use AI. I'll be showing everything in this RBI system.